Right, this here is our new fire. Fire for the bottom, water for the top. Might get out some radiators one day and put them around with a pump or something on it. It's through, out, through. Putting it up for a quick little test a minute.
We haven't sealed any of the holes yet though. We might use some fuel. Can we have some ignition in it?
Alright. Probably not. Has he got heating fuel outside?
Yeah, that's not perfect, is it?
Oh, we've got a bit of fire here anyway now.
Oh, it's not exactly taking long.
Right.
No, it is actually.
Okay.
We just lean against there.
She's away.
It seems to have gone out.
Hey? There we go.
I'll get this thing closed. I need something to like ratchet it against it.
A bit of bar or something there doing it. There we go. She's not leaking too bad, but I suppose there isn't really much. There's a bit. Oh, that's good having that hole where you can tell she's still going.
Do you think there's anything going up? Oh my god, the smoke coming out of the chimney, I can see it from here.
Is it? Right, I think we're going to have to go around.
You can't see it from here.
Let's go bottom side.
It definitely is, I can see it from inside.
And that's our chimney. It sticks out a little, but
Why the hell is it?
nothing too.
I was just driving after it. Look at that thing.
Oh! Nearly done a dominant, in fact.
Oh, no, I think this is actually already taken on myself by the noises it's making.
I think that's taken on. Looking at around the side.
Possibly we won't give it any extra fuel for a minute.
Right, she's leaking it outside again a minute.
Oh, now she's away! Oh, that deflector is right down.
Oh, beauty! Look at that. Now, the only issue we got to sort out now is this little issue down here. It's a small issue.
Oh my god.
I can tell you to roll the wrong bit. You're the fucking.
Bit of bitching going on here.
Oh, I'll just fucking weld this bit.
We have a Citroen in the yard.
Quality ZX. It's a pretty awesome car.
And typical fucking phase 2, bonnet's up again.
Oh, fuck it, I'm gonna have to, I reckon I'll actually just bend this a little bit. It's going to be fiddly, but... Got the fire extinguisher ready if we need it?
Yeah.
Got a fucking
The pressure washer.
pressure washer.
Turn the amps up a bit.